Creating masters for items, customers, suppliers, etc. will help you use the system conveniently as well as avoid discrepancies in data entries. Item. To create item or product masters, go to Stock. To view a list of all items, click on Item. You can filter your search on the basis of these fields. Click on New Item. This section captures a general description of an item. Type in an alphanumeric code, an item code, by which you will distinguish your item from other items. Item will save by the item code and cannot be changed once the item is saved. Enter the name of the item. Mention the brand if any. Categorize your item by selecting the item group from Item Group Master. Enter a suitable description which will help you search your items conveniently. Specify whether inspection is required. If yes, then a quality inspection report will need to be made in the system before submitting the purchase receipt for this particular item. Move to the Item Type tab. This section categorizes the item in different types. For example, select Yes in Is Purchase Item and Is Sales Item if the item is for both sales and purchase. If this is a sample item, select Yes. Please note that you will not be allowed to make invoices for sample items. To maintain stock of this item, click Yes in Is Stock Item. If the item is used for some internal purpose in your company, then select Yes against Is Asset Item. If you are sending raw materials to a supplier to manufacture this item, select Yes in Is Some Contracted Item. You will be allowed to create bill of materials for this item only if Is Manufactured Item is Yes. If you want to include this item in production plan, Is MRP item should be selected as Yes. To issue production order against this particular item, select Yes in Is Pro Applicable option. If you maintain identity of each entity under this item code, then select Yes in Has Serial Number. To maintain batches for this particular item, select Yes in Has Batch Number. Move to the purchase details. This section lists down additional information related to your purchases. If the units in which you purchase is different from units in which you maintain stock, then enter the purchase unit under UOM and the conversion factor, which when multiplied by the quantity in purchase units will give the quantity in stock units. Move to sales details. This stock unit is entered in stock UOM. Categorize standard rates for this item by selecting price lists and entering reference rates and currency. You can define tax and their rates in this table. Move to specification details. This section lists down the parameters and criteria for accepting this particular item. While making a QA inspection report for this item, these details will be fetched in that form.